Repair a surface crack with Safetrack Crack Infill. First, prepare the crack by sweeping out loose debris. Before opening, shake the tin. Then stir well to ensure the liquid is an equal consistency. Add the BPO catalyst, using the technical guide for exact measurements, and mix thoroughly. Carefully squeeze the tin so that it is easier to pour. Then steadily pour the solution through a hand mold drawbars. The resin will coat the interior of the crack and expand to seal it. Finally, sprinkle over the aggregate and allow the repair to cure. Tools can be cleaned with acetone. Repairing surface cracks will prevent further degradation and costly repairs. Visit www.redstagmaterials.com, your project partner for road surface repairs.